Hello there and welcome back to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Well, thank you for being here, thank you for watching. As you can guess, it is a balloon model tutorial that I'm doing today, and I've got a really nice design. It's pretty easy to make, only needs two 260 balloons, sort of mocha, chocolate brown 260 and a green 260. This is a 2 balloon turtle, and it comes with some really nice decorations. And he's sort of saying, where's the sea, where's the sea, where's the sea? Yeah, I don't think he's saying that, but anyway. So without further ado, let's get started. You'll need your two 260 balloons. Inflate them about 2/3 the way. So you'll be leaving a good 6 inches. Now I probably slightly overinflated my brown balloon, but that's about right. You should be okay. Just make sure not to overinflate a lot. So I'm going to take my brown balloon first, and I'm going to make the body, the shell of my turtle. So a nice big 1 finger bubble. And you're going to pinch twist that, so you do your 1 finger bubble, and then you just take the knotted end and pinch twist it. So twist it into the twist. And give the balloon a good squeeze and a stretch to keep it nice and soft. And about an 8 finger bubble. Certainly no longer than 8 fingers. And again, a nice big 1 finger bubble. And you're going to pinch twist this. So lift and just twist a couple of times. You've got a nice pinch twist, and give it a squeeze and a stretch. And you're just going to come back. Now I make this slightly, fractionally bigger than 8 fingers, because you want to give the shell some shape. And then again, for the next one, again, it's going to be slightly bigger than 8 fingers. So you twist, and I'm going to twist this into this pinch twist here. So I'm just coming back on myself. So that's what you should have. Now you've got a lot of excess here, and you can just sort of work, before I do that, deal with the excess, you can just work the body and get a sort of nice sort of shell shape. So something that looks a bit like that. Now this excess you just want to pop off. You don't need any of this. So what I would do, pop it off, let the air out nice and slowly. I'm going to tie a knot in this, just a bit of peace of mind, a bit of insurance, and then you can just tuck this in to the body and nobody will see that, and if it pops out, just tuck it back in. So we've got the body of our turtle. So I'm going to do the legs and the head of the turtle, and this is where I need my green 260. So I've got my green 260, got my body, and I'm going to take the knotted end of my green 260, and I'm just going to tie it around one of the pinch twists. I don't think I said that quite right, did I? Pinch twists. Oh, I'm not even sure I said it right there. Can't talk today. Right, and about 6 fingers. That's a bit bigger, I think, but about that. 6-7 fingers. That's one leg, and just give it a squeeze and a stretch. Again, another 6-7 fingers to do. Just tie that into the pinch twist here at the end. Now I've got to do the head. So a nice, fair size flower petal, about 3 fingers. And that's what you should have. So that's what you should have at the moment. Got the head of my turtle, got one of the sort of legs of the turtle, and we've got the shell. And again, things will get moved around, so you can move them around at the end to get them just how you want them. Then we do the other leg. Again, about 7 fingers, 6-7 fingers, bubble, and you will have some left over for the tail. Now I'm taking this second twist, I'm going to pinch twist it into the back of my turtle, the pinch twist here. Just do it, just need to do this once. Don't do it too many times because that pinch twist will become very, very tight and you might end up popping it. So I've got this. Obviously turtles don't have tails that long, and if I did see a turtle with a tail that long, I'd be pretty worried. I'd be running from the beach like mad. So I'm going to pop off some of that, just let some of the air out, but you want to keep a little bit of the air in, and you're just going to notch that up. Oh, I can tell my fingers aren't quite as nimble as they used to be, but there you go. If I can do it, anybody can do it. And I'm going to move things around a little bit. And there you go. You've got a fab 2 blue turtle. Okay, and you can see that brown bit, it's somewhere in there. If you've got a straggly bit here, just get a pair of scissors and just cut that off. So all we've got to do is the decoration. And this is probably my favourite part of doing this design. So I'm just going to grab my Sharpie marker. So I'm going to do some really distinctive eyes. I'm just going to get them. Little snout. Cheeky little grin. Oh, and there you go. There's the artwork for the turtle, which I think really makes this design. So that's not a difficult design to do. You do need to know how to do a pinch twist, but if you do that, you can certainly do this. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon next to it, because then you'll be notified as soon as I upload any new content onto my channel. And do check out the other videos on my channel. I'm dead biased, I'm going to say this, but I think there's something there for everyone, especially if you're into magic, juggling or balloon modelling. So thank you once again, and this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.